Today, let's read Animal Babies, The World of Eric Carle. Let's start. Let's open the book. Open. Let's read it. The fox and his kid play and run. The fox and his kid play and run. This is a kit. Kit. Let's press the kit and hear the sound. Let's press it.
Fox kit. Fox kit.
The seal and her pup sit in the sun. The seal and her pup sit in the sun. This is a seal. Let's press the seal. This is the seal pup. Let's press it.
Seal pup.
Let's listen again.
Seal pup.
It's a seal pup. The penguin keeps his chick safe and warm. The penguin keeps his chick safe and warm. This is a chick. Let's press the chick. Where is the chick? This is the penguin chick. Let's press it.
Penguin chick.
Let's listen again.
Penguin chick.
It's a penguin chick. Penguin chick. The bear guides her cub out of the storm. The bear guides her cub out of the storm. This is a cub. Cub. A cub is a baby bear. Let's press the bear cub. Let's press it.
Bear cub.
Let's listen again.
Bear cub.
It's a bear cub. Bear cub. The goat and her kid eat grass for lunch. The goat and her kid eat grass for lunch. This is a kid. A kid is a baby goat. Let's press the kid.
Goat kid.
Let's press it again.
Goat kid.
It's a goat kid. Goat kid. The giraffe and her calf find leaves to munch. The giraffe and her calf find leaves to munch. This is a calf. A calf is a baby giraffe. Let's press the calf.
Giraffe calf.
It sounds like it's eating some leaves. Munch, munch. Let's listen again.
Giraffe calf.
It's a giraffe calf. The lion and his cub sleep for a while. The lion and his cub sleep for a while. This is a lion cub. Lion cub. A cub is a baby lion. Let's press the lion cub.
Lion cub.
Let's listen again.
Lion cub.
The elephant and her calf walk mile after mile. The elephant and her calf walk mile after mile. This is a calf. An elephant calf. Let's listen to the elephant calf.
Elephant calf.
One more time.
Elephant calf.
It's the sound of an elephant calf. The zebra and her foal stand side by side. The zebra and her foal stand side by side. This is a foal. A foal is a baby zebra. Let's listen to the zebra foal.
Zebra foal.
Let's listen again.
Zebra foal.
It's a zebra foal. The monkey gives his baby a ride. The monkey gives his baby a ride. This is a baby. A monkey baby. Let's listen to the monkey baby.
Monkey baby.
Oh, how adorable. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's listen again.
Monkey baby.
It's a monkey baby. The end. We listened to all the animals in the book Animal Babies by Eric Carle. Around the Farm by Eric Carle. Do you know what animal is this? Let's read. The bull is strong. Bull. This is a bull. Can you please say it? Bull. Let's read it one more time. The bull is strong. Now let's listen to the sound of the bull. Let's press it.
Bull.
Did you hear that? One more time.
Bull.
What animal is this? Let's read it. The cow gives us milk to drink. This is a cow. Cow. The cow gives us milk to drink. Let's listen to the sound of the cow.
Cow.
Oh, one more time.
Cow.
What is this? A cow. This is a goat. Can you please say it? Goat. Goat. The goat can climb. Can you pretend that you're climbing? Climb, climb, climb. The goat can climb. Let's listen to the sound of the goat.
Goat.
One more time.
Goat.
This is a pig. Pig. The pig has a curly tail. So this is the tail of the pig. It's curly. Let's read it one more time. The pig has a curly tail. Now let's listen to the sound that the pig makes.
Pig.
That's so funny. One more time.
Pig.
Pig. This is a pig. Sheep. Sheep. Can you say it? Sheep. The sheep has wool that keeps it warm. Sheep. Let's listen to the sheep.
Sheep.
This is a lamb. Lamb. Can you say it? Lamb. The lamb is a baby sheep. So this is mommy sheep and this is a baby sheep. It's called a lamb. Lamb. Let's listen to the lamb.
Lamb.
One more time.
Lamb.
Ooh, do you know what animal is this? It's a donkey. Donkey. The donkey kicks its legs. The donkey kicks its legs. Let's listen to the donkey.
Donkey.
One more time.
Donkey.
Donkey. Next, this is a horse. Horse. Can you say it? Horse. The horse gallops in the field. The horse gallops in the field. Let's listen to the sound that the horse makes.
Horse. Horse.
The horse makes a neighing sound. Neigh, neigh. Horse. Hen. Hen. This is a hen. The hen lays eggs for the farmer. The hen lays eggs for the farmer. Let's listen to the sound that the hen makes.
Hen.
One more time.
Hen.
Turkey. Turkey. This is a turkey. The turkey likes to eat seeds and grains. Turkey. Do you know the sound of a turkey? Let's listen.
Turkey.
One more time.
Turkey.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Turkey. Chick. Chick. The chick is yellow and fluffy. Chick. Let's listen to the chick.
Chick.
One more time.
Chick.
Rooster. Rooster. The rooster wakes the farmer in the morning. Rooster. Let's see how the rooster wakes up the farmer. Let's hear its sound.
Rooster.
One more time.
Rooster.
Rooster. Do you know what this is? This is a cat. Cat. The cat meows and purrs. Cat. Let's listen to the sound that the cat makes.
Cat.
One more time.
Cat.
Meow, says the cat. Dog. Dog. The dog howls at the moon. The dog howls at the moon. Dog. Do you know the sound that the dog makes? Let's listen.
Dog. Dog.
Woof woof. Dog. Mouse. Mouse. The mouse stays warm in the farmer's barn. The mouse stays warm in the farmer's barn. Let's listen to the sound that the mouse makes.
Mouse.
Squeak, squeak.
Mouse.
That's the sound of a mouse. Oh, what is this? It's a frog. Frog. The frog leaps up into the air. Frog. Where are you, frog? What is your sound?
Frog.
Rabbit, rabbit.
Frog.
That's a sound of a frog. This is a duck. Duck. The duck waddles to and fro. Duck. Let's listen to the duck.
Duck. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. One more time.
Duck. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. That's the sound of a duck. Next, turtle. Turtle. The turtle can hide in its shell. Turtle. Let's listen to the turtle.
Turtle.
Oh, it's like a rhythm when it's hiding in its shell. This is a turtle. This is a fish. Fish. The fish swims underwater. Fish.
Fish.
Glub, 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 glub. One more time.
Fish.
That's the sound of a fish. Crow. Crow. The crow flaps its wings. Crow. Let's listen to the crow.
Crow.
One more time.
Crow.
That's the sound of a crow. Sparrow. Sparrow. The sparrow likes to sing. A sparrow is a type of bird. So all of the animals here are birds, okay? So this is a sparrow. Let's listen to the sparrow.
Sparrow.
Aw, how sweet. One more time.
Sparrow.
Great. That's a sparrow. Owl. Owl. The owl can see in the dark. Owl. Let's listen to the owl.
Owl. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Ooh.
Owl. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Aw. Owl. Owl. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks the tree with its beak. Woodpecker. Let's listen to the woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Did you hear that? One more time.
Woodpecker.
It's a sound of a woodpecker pecking the tree. Ooh, what is this? It's snake. The snake hisses and slithers. Do you know the sound that the snake makes? Let's listen.
Snake.
It's making a hissing sound. One more time.
Snake.
Snake. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit likes to hop. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh, it's the sound of a hopping rabbit. Boing, boing, boing. It's hopping. Can you pretend that you're hopping like a rabbit? Let's listen again.
Rabbit.
Cricket. Cricket. The cricket hops and chirps. Cricket. Let's listen to the cricket.
Cricket.
Did you hear that? One more time.
Cricket.
That's a sound of a cricket. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. The dragonfly zips and zooms. Do you know the sound of a dragonfly? Let's listen.
Dragonfly.
Oh, a dragonfly. One more time.
Dragonfly.
Perfect. That's the sound of a dragonfly. Bee. Bee. The bee buzzes from flower to flower. Bee. Let's see how a bee buzzes.
Bee.
It's a bee. Butterfly. Butterfly. Can you please say it? Butterfly. The butterfly flutters its colorful wings.
Butterfly.
Oh, it's a music when the butterfly flutters and flaps its wings. Can you flap your hands like this and pretend that you are a butterfly? Let's play the music.
Butterfly.
Wow! Butterfly. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The caterpillar crawls along a leaf. Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Oh, it's a music when the caterpillar is crawling along a leaf. This is a caterpillar. Oh, we just listened to the sound that the animals make around the farm. The end.
Please subscribe.